Hey, Eagle Run 2-3 here, ripping a brisket on a Saturday morning. It's now around noontime, so we're about halfway through this, but I was a little concerned about the amount of smoke I was getting. As you can tell, there's just not a ton of smoke coming. Everything was clean when I started. Okay, smoking a little brisket here on the Pit Boss, and I have got smoke coming out of my pellets, my pellet box. So this thing was clean before I started, but there's some smoke coming out here, but I'm not really getting good smoke. And now I've got tons of smoke coming out of there. I know there's a lot of glare and you can't really see what that says, but we are at 250. We're smoking a brisket. We're on like hour 4 or 5, and internal temperatures are around 160. And I shut everything down and pulled the brisket off when I wrapped it, and I cleaned out my thing. It had a little bit of debris in it, but just that pellet ash. Man, that's so weird. Anyone have any ideas?